Okay, today we're going to talk about these new zip ties from Harbor Freight. Let me explain them to you. Okay, what we've got here are these Storehouse 11-inch black twist and cut zip ties. Unlike your standard zip ties, which I have here, these zip ties have a built-in little blade right there, and it shows it right here. So the idea is when you twist the zip tie and put it into the hole, then you just twist it and the little blade will automatically cut it, preventing you from having to use any type of cutters or anything like you would for a normal zip tie. So let me show you how that works. Here are one of these zip ties that I have already tested to make sure I knew how it worked, and we'll just move that down here, and I'm going to show you in real time how this twist works. Like any other zip tie, you take your tip there and you will want to stick it in the hole right here. You'll hear it click. Over here and we'll actually see what it's designed to do. Okay, so I'm going to put it here, tighten it up like any other zip tie. I have it on. As you can see, the head is a little bit bigger than a regular zip tie. Hold on, let me put a regular zip tie in here and compare it. Okay, here is the new twist cut zip tie from Harbor Freight. This is from Harbor Freight too, but this is just your regular old zip tie. So we're not concerned about this. I just wanted to show you the comparison of the head. So we're going to move these down here. We're going to focus on this. So now that this zip tie is good and tight, theoretically, what it's saying is I twist this piece here and that little blade is going to cut it. So let's see how that works. Okay, starting twisting now. I'm not a fan so far. My goodness gracious. Okay. Okay, I actually did one earlier and it was quite hard. Didn't like it. This one doesn't work. So I'm going to try another one for you. We'll push that one down here. Come get another one right here. All right, let's see how we're going to do it. Okay, that's what it looks like right here. Tighten it up. It is good and tight. So blade is right here. We're going to try twisting this way now. Let's see if it works. All right, these are garbage. Okay, this is a do not buy from Harbor Freight. These things are horrible. So if you're in a tight spot, working under a vehicle, under a dashboard, that is not the predicament you want to be in. They just don't work. They do work like a regular zip tie, but you're paying extra for that little cut benefit. And do not buy these. These are not recommended by any means. So I will not leave a link for these in the description, but I will leave a link for some other zip ties, some specialty zip ties that you might be interested in. Okay, so hopefully this helps you make an informed buying decision. Have a great day. Just go old school. This is much easier.